Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back. Or if this is your first time visiting with us for your Crystal Oracle Insights reading, we are so happy that you are here with us today. Selenite. On top of selenite, definitely lots of clearing. Tanzan Aura for your third eye and crown chakra clearing, mostly your third eye. Amethyst for your crown chakra, and Serpentine, heart chakra and grounding. Because this one has some darker green and some iron oxide or manganese in there, some iron that would help with grounding. So where is it in your life, in your work, your business, relationships, with yourself or someone else, that is asking you, nudging you, pushing you, poking you for a bit more clearing? Are there any cords or attachments that need to be pulled out, removed, cleared? Tanzan Aura, what are you unwilling to see, to look at, or are afraid to see? Are you asking questions and then deciding that whatever the answer is that you're given in signs, symbols, messages, or dreams, or intuitive hits, that is not what you want to hear, so you discard it? Be authentic and genuine and honest with yourself. And on the other side of it, there's more. If you're hearing it, seeing it, however it is you receive your intuitive nudges from your guides, the cosmos, or the universe, are you listening? Are you taking action or not taking action according to the guidance? Are you blowing it off? If you are, stop that. Amethyst, protection, manifestation energies, alignment, calling in your guides for more clarity, opening up, spiritual expansion and growth so that you can raise your vibe. And then Serpentine, an energy that is very interesting, and depending upon what other crystals it's with, and in this case we have selenite, Tanzan Aura, and amethyst. This is for prosperity and abundance and grounding. So let go of anxiousness, fear and doubt, thoughts of lack, roadblocks, energetic walls that are stopping you. Let go, clear that out. How do you let go? I now open, let's see, how do we want to say that? Okay, you can use this verbatim or change it to fit you better. I now open my heart, my mind, and my chakras wholly, completely, and ask and thank you for complete clearing of anything that is not for my highest and best good. Thank you. Something like that. Just keep it simple. It can be even more simple than that. All right. Please like, if you would, this video. Pop your comments below if you need any clarification or how this resonated with you. Subscribe and then share this if you would, please, beautiful soul. Until next time, have an amazing day. You and your dreams matter.